Welcome to TestClicks, where we offer the most sophisticated tools for monitoring your digital assets. Today, we're excited to show you how to create a test scenario that monitors your website's appearance, comparing how it's supposed to look versus how it actually does. Let's dive in. You're now looking at our workspace. Remember, our product evolves constantly, so your workspace might look a bit different from what you see here. Here we have a scenario that we recorded earlier. Let's examine it. Here are all the scenario properties. We can see the monitored URL, the location from which the test is executed, and how often the test runs. Please also note the status, which is marked as pass. This indicates that our website is performing flawlessly. Let's now examine our scenario in detail and explore exactly what this test does. This is our scenario player. It lets us review what happens in each step of our test. By clicking play, we can step through each recorded action. As you can see, this test scenario simply goes through several pages of our website. Let's close the player now. Now let's enable screen comparison. This feature lets us compare recorded pages with their current state. Any mismatches are flagged as errors, helping us identify changes during development or spot post-launch bugs. Currently, the test simply checks if it can find an element that the tester clicked while creating the test. However, it doesn't show us how the user actually sees the website. Enabling screen comparison changes that. The next run will compare a saved view of the website with its current state. Our test is set to run automatically every 24 hours. Waiting until the next run might be problematic at this moment. Fortunately, we can also execute the scenario on demand. With our free account, we get 5 free manual runs. To check our current subscription, we can go to the Usage tab. Let's manually trigger our test to see it in action. If we use up our manual runs, we can purchase additional bundles from our shop. Scenarios can also be triggered via API. The scenario has been added to the queue and is waiting for execution. The status of our test has changed to error. Let's go to our player to investigate what went wrong. It appears our logo didn't load as expected, causing the menu to shift slightly. This kind of visual feedback is crucial for quick troubleshooting. Now you can send this test link to your development team for further analysis. That's it. We've just shown you how to set up a visual monitoring test with TestClicks. This tool doesn't just compare response codes. It visually confirms that your website appears as intended for your customers. Thank you for tuning in to TestClicks. Happy monitoring, and see you in the next video.